Today me and Tony are going to go get Big Billy's fridge. But first, I have to get some gas in my truck. Okay, we're just getting to Co-op now. As you can see, we're putting $20 worth of gas in. Say hello.
Hello. Okay, this is me and Tony. Tony, we're about ready to head out to Big Bill's. You want to tell the viewers anything?
Going to get a fridge. Hope it's not heavy.
Okay, we're on the road. We're going out to Big Billy's. Big Billy lives out by Rapid View. That's about, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes from Meadow. So we're going out there to get his fridge, and I think we're bringing it back to drop it off to get repaired. But right now, we're just leaving Meadow. We're on the highway out. Oh, we got some unexpected stuff here. It looks like they're doing work on the highway. So that's pretty cool.
All that sand.
All the sand, people working. And a pretty, well, that's kind of an ugly looking guy there, but... Oh, it's a girl. Well, my mistake. Okay. Okay, we're getting close to Big Billy's place. I think it's just up the road here.
He's old school, Billy.
He's old school.
Yeah, he's old school.
Doesn't he have a dog?
Yeah, his name's Fucker.
We're gonna have to meet the dog later.
Yeah,
oh, there he is right there.
There's Billy.
Daytona. So how you doing today, Bill?
Alright.
Right on. I like your patch, it looks pretty cool.
I just made it.
Did you?
Dad was getting all afraid and falling apart.
Oh, yeah. What's your...
My public is going to see me.
Let's check out your mucklucks. You got some cool ones there, too.
Yeah.
Did you make those? What would I say?
Crawlers.
Your teepee crawlers. Yeah. That's pretty good. So what's the deal with your teepee out there? Are you going to get that done? When? Pretty soon, or is this whenever?
That's just trying my holes.
Oh, I thought you were
I
going
gotta dry him first, I guess.
Cool.
Learn something new every day, eh?
Oh, Tony's tying the rope around there. Don't fall, brother. So as you can see, me and Tony have all sorts of adventures. And sometimes we take Iggy along too. And we get to meet all sorts of cool people. This is our friend Big Billy.
Wait till you see us pour cement.
Oh, one of these days, maybe I'll come along and I'll help you guys pour something, just for the heck of it. Well, Bill, I think we're going to be heading back to town. Thanks for putting up with us, and we'll come back out here another day and we'll have another adventure out in the woods.
Sounds like fun.
Okay. So, brother, we're just leaving Big Billy's place here. We had a pretty fun time out in the woods, eh? Didn't find no chickens, didn't find no bear, thank goodness, but we had fun. We'll probably be coming back out here to have another adventure out in the woods, and maybe we'll see what we can see then. So next stop is to drop off this fridge. So this is the outskirts of Meadow. There's Robwell. There's a cement plant. Inland.
That's where we get our cement from.
Yeah. And right up over here is the old Hannigan's building. That's where we're going to be heading to. So there it is. Going to help Tony unload, so back in a bit. So I think that probably brings us to the end of our adventure. So tell everybody goodbye, and we'll see him sometime somewhere down the road, eh?
Alright, safe travels.